Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to restore and pack the ribbon in Windows 11 File Explorer. So there is to be a registry modification prior to Windows 11 22H2 that allow you to revert back to the Windows 10 ribbon bar. However, they removed that option. Unfortunately, however, there is a work around for that. Let's jump straight into it, guys. For that, go to search menu and type Windows tool, TOOLS tools. Just open it and just click on this PC. In here appears this menu appears with the classic ribbon bar, supposed to be the new ribbon bar. File Explorer. So see the differences about this, guys. Uh, the classics File Explorer. I'll just open it. Just going to split this out. So going to split this classic one on right side. This was one modified one. See the difference between the classic one and the modified one. There is the option open settings and add a network location, and so many options is here, guys. And here also so many options in here. We just need to type Windows tools. It will open the File Explorer. In the File Explorer home page, character maps, disk cleanup, more settings in here, run services, everything in here. Performance monitor. You just in modified one here, having in this PC in the file folder, guys. This will appear in modified one in file folder. This one is classic, guys, normal file folder. That's it, guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.